Guys, good afternoon. A little bit long time when I make some video. We are now in Libya. We are here, we just arrived yesterday, and we are now in SBM operation. We are going to load the cargo now, crude oil, and they said that we will discharge again in Italy, going back there. We stayed there for about 10 days in Italy, Genoa, before we left. Then we come here for loading again and discharging again in Genoa. No, I don't think exactly Genoa, but in Italy. So here we are now. We are loading here in SBM. SBM means single buoy mooring. We are loading not in the port, outside the port. So this line, the hoses, two hoses, it is connected to the buoy. That the buoy have a line connected to the shore from the terminal. This is we call SBM, single buoy mooring operation. We are loading now. As you can see, this is a crane connected and holding the two hoses. We just started loading crude oil again. Actually, the plan is we are supposed to be going to Germany, but always change. So we don't know, maybe we change again for a while. At the moment, we are just keep loading. We are here in Libya. Okay guys, please don't forget to like and subscribe my channel. Thank you and God bless you all.